Yeah, welcome to Real Estate Gist brought to you by Omar Real Estate, aka Real Estate Informant. I told you I'll be bringing you live gist on what is happening in the real estate sector. So, for information, any information on real estate, feel free to contact Omar Real Estate, aka Real Estate Informant, for sure updates and information on real estate. All right, a lot of people have lost a lot of money. People have lost huge sum of money due to the fact that they want to acquire a particular property and they do not do it the right way. They didn't know the right way to go about it, so they ended up being scammed. There are a lot of scammers roaming about claiming to be owners of properties, selling fake properties to people, scamming them of their end time money, scamming them of what? Of their sweat. Let me put it that way, their sweat. So I'm here to just address that issue, talk about how to be intentional about what you are doing, how to be very wise in whatever you are doing. If somebody scam you, one thing is just involved when you are being scammed by somebody. It simply means that that person is smarter than you in that area that he or she has scammed you. He is smarter than you. Because if you are smarter than that person, he won't be able to scam you. I'm speaking too much grammar or too much English. Let me come down to broken so that a lot of people will understand what I'm saying. No ever let person make e scam you. It's not done. If person scam you, he smart pass you. That is why if he scam you. If you get enough adequate information pass that person, you go feel bounce back that scam. You will bounce back that scam. So I got talking to a man and the man was seriously lamenting. When I mean lamenting, he was pouring out his bitterness that he has been scammed. That he was in Lagos, he tried to buy a land, he was scammed. He also came to Abuja, he tried to buy a land and then he was also scammed again. It took him 3 years to fight the case to court and lawyers were dragging up and down. 3 years to get a refund, and the refund didn't just come in bulk, it was coming bit by bit before he could recover his money. To him, he felt it was a loss because just imagine if that property was rightly bought for 3 years, you would have known how far that property would have appreciated. So he was calm, like. So each time I go or each time I move about seeing people being scammed, I feel like you don't have the adequate information to resist that scam. That is why you are being scammed. Don't do things anyhow. Please, before you do anything, seek for appropriate information. Tell people where no road, make they show you the way. No be anyhow things. A lot of 419 people are just everywhere trying to scam people for a living. And if you fall victim, they go chop your money. They go chop and go scot free. They go tuama. So I'm good in this. I know how to prevent you from being scammed. I have necessary informations it takes to prevent you from being scammed if you are ready to listen and listen effectively. Okay, so now I'll be bringing you live informations, things that you need to know when you want to acquire any property anywhere in Abuja or all over. But Abuja is the main area of concentration, so just try to use it, apply it everywhere, and it will work for you. Now, before you buy a land anywhere, there are 7 documents you should ask of. If you no see these 7 documents and you wan buy land, yeah, the probability say they go scam you dey high. You understand? This thing I'm telling you is what I've known over time. If you wan buy land anywhere, the person wey wan sell the land for you, before you buy the land, make sure say una sit down, discuss about these 7 documents that I'm about to mention now. If you discuss about these 7 documents and the person is able to provide these 7 documents, that is when you will know that okay, this land you are about to buy, you are not being scammed. But if him tell you say you get 1 or 2 and you still go ahead go buy the land, na your detriment, it's at your risk. you will end up being scammed. So pay attention. And I know is always the last comment of a fool where they talk. No let me they scam you before you learn so that they no go fit scam you. They don't scam other people because they don't have adequate information. Now this information is reaching you, so you don't really have to wait until you are scammed before you learn. Just imagine now the small money wey you don gather, say you wan use am buy property or you wan use am buy land make you start your small life or all of that. Then imagine say person come scam you, come go scot free. Where you wan start from? Square zero. So it won't be of any help to you. So pay attention critically, because scammers dey plenty, dey choke everywhere, and everybody dey hungry, dey look for wetin to take survive. No fall victim. Now I'm going to list the 7 documents now before you buy any land. Now wetin you go sit down, ask the person, these documents, are they available? Ask, tell them say you wan see all the documents. If they don fit provide you source to all these documents and you don fit see am, na when you go ahead go buy the land o. Number 1 of this document is called C of O. It's called what? C of O. They call C of O wetin? Certificate of occupancy. Na the first document wey you go ask of be that C of O, certificate of occupancy. This is always issued by the government through the Ministry of Lands for the state where you wan buy that particular property. Do you get? So now this document na document wey contain the name of the person wey buy that property. Are you getting? So if you wan buy property, maybe say you wan buy property now, that C of O na wetin dem go give you to prove to you say this land na you get am, you don buy this property. Are you getting? So I said it's been issued by the state government through the Ministry of Lands and Urban Development for the state where you wan buy that land. So if you wan buy land and this document no ready, or they play you, they no wan give you this land, this document C of O, know say that land na scam, they wan scam you. So na the first document where you go ask of be that before you even think of any other thing. Now the second document where you go ask of, na deed of assignment. Deed of wetin? Deed of assignment. Now this deed of assignment now na document wey be say if person don buy land originally, him don buy land, maybe kasala come him body, he no want the land again, he wan sell the land. This deed of assignment na document that shows transfer of ownership from the seller to who? To the buyer. So if you wan buy land from person wey don originally get the land, maybe you now you see say person wan sell land and you like where the land there, you wan buy the land, this deed of assignment you need it, because it's a legal document that shows transfer of ownership of land from the buyer, from the person wey dey sell the land to the person wey dey buy am, from the seller to the buyer. You understand? So if you no get this, they no get this document and they wan sell land for you, my brother, no buy that land. Because by the time wey you don buy am, him fit comot now go bring the original C of O, say this property na my own. If you like, come outside come talk say no, I bought this land from this person. They go ask you, where is your deed of assignment? The document that shows the transfer of this property from this person that you claim is the one that sold it for you. If you no get that document, my brother, your money don go. So always ask of deed of assignment, especially if na from person wey don get the land before you wan buy am. Are you getting it? Now the third document wey you go ask of, the number 3 document, na registered survey plan. They call it what? Registered survey plan. Now registered survey plan na document wey show the size of your land, the location of your land, the boundaries of your land. I say number one, that shows the size of your land, the location of your land, and the what and the boundaries of your land. Some people go buy land, they no carry their eye see am korokoro, so they no even know where the land dey located. Maybe you just get one kind money, you say okay make I send am for that bros, maybe him na agent e be, he dey buy land, he dey sell land, make he help me buy land. Then you go buy, you send money for person, dey buy land give you. You no even know the location, you no even know where the property dey, you no even know the boundaries. It's very wrong. So before you buy land, make sure say you get this registered survey plan. Na im go show the size of your land, the location of your land, the boundaries of your land. You dey understand me? So tomorrow now, person no go comot say see where your land dey. Your land no wide like this, your land no big like this. Who be you wey you go buy big land like this? You no get money to buy big land like this. Or they go wan cut your own land, go join to another person land, sake of say that person come give them extra money. Or your land now, person go come say e no get access road based on say he go buy one land wey no good. They come say make dem share cut from your own land, give the person make dem use am do access road. E no suppose to be like that. Once you don get registered survey plan, if dem say they wan touch comot from your land, na decision for you to make. Maybe you see say your neighbor no get way to take enter a compound and you feel sorry for the person, then you wan decide to negotiate with am, say okay I go fetch you small from my land, make you take use am enter your compound. That one dey less for you. But for person to say they wan use force collect am, or once you get your registered survey plan, na im go show your size, say this size, this land na my own, nobody fit cut comot from inside. Are you understanding what I'm saying? So acquire your registered survey plan. Now, if you dey buy land, all these documents that I've mentioned and these first 3 documents, na compulsory thing wey be say you must to get e be. If you no get am, problem dey. Okay, so make sure say as you wan buy your land, you dey work in for all these documents. As if you no see the document, na red flag, baba cut out. Number 4 document na power of attorney. Power of wetin? Attorney. Now, this document works basically for maybe lawyers or agents. If you know any lawyer, maybe lawyer wants to sell a land to you, or an agent wants to sell a land to you, this lawyer or this agent might not be the original owner of these properties. You understand? But then person fit come meet and say okay, I know you say you be lawyer, you be real estate lawyer, I get land for sale, help me sell am. Or he go come now, I no fit waka to dey tell people say I get land to sell, or he go carry the land give agent, say agent help me sell this land. But no be the agent or the lawyer be the original owner of this land. For that lawyer or that agent to fit get the right or the power to sell land for you, he need to get power of attorney. Now that power of attorney be the real legal document wey show say that lawyer or that agent is qualified to sell land for you. If you go buy land from person wey no get power of attorney, they go scam you, because this power of attorney now, they no dey get am anyhow. You get ba? They no dey get am anyhow. The power of attorney must carry the name of that person. He go carry the passport and he go carry red stamp from Ministry of Lands and Housing or Urban Development. If that document no get all these things, passport, e no get name, e no get that red stamp, make you know say that one no be real. So that power of attorney very very important, because if you wan buy land from like lawyer or agent, na this document show say this person dey qualify to sell land for you. You no fit just go buy land carelessly from any person. Na where they go follow take scam you be that. Now, I've spoken about power of attorney, but the number 4 na im be power of attorney. The number 5 wey be say if you no see, no buy the land. Land use zoning document. I talk am. Land use zoning document. This land use zoning document very very important, because some people now they just see land, they wan rush go buy. You need a document to tell you that this land that you want to buy, this land is specifically for a particular purpose. They get different purpose of land. They get for commercial purpose, they get for residential purpose, and maybe other one. So now, if you now wan build your house where you go stay, you no fit go buy land wey dey use for commercial purpose. Dem no go let you build house for there. Commercial purposes where they dey build all these banks, where they dey build maybe hotel or different things wey be say e serve for commercial purposes. You now wan come go build residential house for there, dem no go gree. So you gats find out this land. You go ask yourself, this land wey I wan buy, wetin I wan use am for? Is it residential? Na where I wan build my house make I dey sleep, abi I wan use am take do commercial purposes? Somewhere like all these places where be say people fit just come out, hang around, chill around, make e just be in form of like maybe all these bars, senior bars, you understand? Or bank, you wan build bank, or you wan build maybe make we just say church or something. You gats ask, this land wey I wan buy, what is the purpose? If na for residential, that means na the land wey be say you go fit build your house where you go sleep. If na for commercial, strictly for commercial. If you wan build house where you go dey lay your head dey sleep, no go buy commercial land, you no go fit. So you ask for the document. This document, I want to see it. This land, is it for residential? That is, if na house you wan dey build. If they say yes, they go show you the document where show say this particular land na residential. If na for commercial, they go show you the document where show say this land na commercial. Do you understand? So that's the number 5th document wey be say you go ask of. Number 6 document wey you go ask people of, wey you go dey sure of, na tax clearance receipt. Tax clearance receipt. If person get land for somewhere, you suppose to dey pay tax for this land wey you get. But many people dey ignore that tax payment, which is very, very bad. You no fit just get one kind large land keep throway like that, and government dey tax people for, and you no go pay. Now, you fit no dey pay, they fit no arrest you, or they fit no hold you. Where the disadvantage will come in is that if a buyer, you wey wan buy land from person wey get land, wey no dey pay for the land wey you get, wey no dey pay tax for that land. If you wan buy land and you no ask for im tax clearance receipt, and you go buy the land, when you wan register the land in your own name, e get the state wey be say they carry am serious. They no go register that land in your name except they see the tax clearance receipt. Now, where e bad now be say the original owner no pay for the clearance, e no pay for the tax, and you newcomer now you go buy the land. Now, for you to register that land in your own name, they go ask of that receipt. If you no get that receipt now you now where be say you wan register that land now you go pay for all the tax where that person wey get the land originally been dey owe. Come imagine, after you don buy land, the person don go away, you don go your way. You feel e go easy for you to come meet and say, omo, that land wey you say give me, you no dey pay tax, to come pay money, come bring money, go pay for that tax. E go gree. So you wey buy am, na you dey at a loss, na you dey at a disadvantage, because before they register that land in your name, they must ask for tax clearance receipt. If the person wey get the land all the while, maybe for 5 years, 6 years, never pay this tax before, you now wey don buy am, wey wan register that land in your name, all the bills na you e go dey on. Na you go pay for that, all those tax, all those years wey the person no pay. So na good document wey you go ask for, so that you no go fall in that trap after you don buy the land. No be you go suffer, come go dey pay tax wey person wey get land for like 5 to 6 years no dey pay. No be you wey be fresh buyer now go come go pay. So you gats ask for tax clearance receipt. You dey follow the concept number. Now, the 7th document wey you go buy, wey you go need to see before you buy, na government's consent. Wetin I talk am, tell me my ear. Government wetin? Consent. See, if you no see this land, if you no see this document, when you go buy property, if you no see this document, you go buy property, your own na, your name na sorry. You know, say, do you know that there are some lands that maybe you own a land now, and they will tell you that you have been enjoying the land maybe for some years, you have even maybe raised the structure on it, and they can tell you that this land belongs to the government. Clear road. They can give you one, they will give you 2 months, pack away, this property belongs to the government. So you need this government's consent document to tell you say this land no be government own o, this land is not acquired, this land cannot be acquired by the government. If not, if you no collect that document, you no see am korokoro say okay, this land is free from government restriction, and you go buy am, tomorrow dem fit wake up come tell you say baba pack comot from that land, it belongs to the government. And government no go compensate you, dem no go compensate you, because you no ask whether this land belong to the government or not. You go buy am, nobody go send your papa. So before you buy any land, this government consent document very very important, check am out, so that tomorrow you no go dey cry, hey, my 30 hectares of land o, government don collect am o, government help me. Government no go hear, because you no ask very well before you buy that land. Government consent very very important. It tells you whether this land can be acquired by the government in the later on in the future. So this document no carry am play. E no go make sense say you don get land for like 10 years, 20 years, dey hope say the land dey appreciate. Overnight you wake up come see say government say make you pack comot for their land. E no go make sense. So to avoid the story that touches this property, this document na the one wey be say you must to ask of. I don list 7 documents now. Know this document before you buy any land. Ask of this document, request for the provision of all these documents before you buy land, so that dem no go scam you. And I know is always the last comment of a few. To be before one is to be before am. If you no know before, know am now. You fit no know before, you dey buy land carelessly, dey mistakenly enter for you. Now wey you don know, follow up these things. Scammers, they don dey upgrade as years dey go by. They dey upgrade their scamming skills. Make you sef upgrade your own skills too, because person wey scam you wise pass you. That is why he scam you. Okay, a word is enough for the wise. To buy secure property, to buy secure land, ask of all these documents wey I tell you, you no go fall into trap. This is what I do for Real Estate Gist. Always feel free to contact Omar Real Estate, aka Real Estate Informant, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get latest information about real estate. Anything concerning real estate, subscribe to my channel, so that as soon as I dey drop update on real estate, you can always get the information. You that is interested in real estate and you don't know how to start, or you don't know how to go about it, or you are scared of being scammed or anything, always feel free to contact Omar Real Estate. Subscribe to the channel so that you will learn one or two.